Hello, how's it going? I wanted to bring you on this video. It's going to be really short. I just wanted to show you what I eat on a day-to-day basis to look really good and feel good in my body. And it's really simplified. So no diets, no meal plans. I don't believe in that shit. Neither I give my clients that. And the thing is, I wanted to bring you guys on to this raw video of me just, showing what I eat. Because there might be a lot of people that have restrictive diets and don't really know what they have to eat on a day-to-day basis. So I wanted to show you how I think about my nutrition and why I eat in a certain way. Don't worry about my hair. I just hopped out of cold plunge, did a workout. It was a banger workout. If you want to see my workout routines and how I train, I have follow along workout routines on my YouTube. Yeah, all right, let's just show you what I eat on a day-to-day basis. So usually at lunch, I always eat the same thing, and that is steak with eggs. It's a lot of protein and I fast until lunch. So every day I do intermittent fasting. There's no need to, let me show you guys. So right now it's actually a marinated steak. I put some salt on it and looks really good. And then I have 4 eggs and I use real butter, not of that margarine butter like that gives you less testosterone. This is like farmer's butter. So that's the thing that you actually want. And then I top it off with some cheese to give it some good taste. And you might be thinking, oh, that's so many calories. Like this is probably like 400 calories. An egg, each egg is like 90 calories. And then I use butter, that's gonna be like 30 to 50 calories for just a small piece. And then this shit is probably a lot of calories as well. But listen, if you train well and if you make sure that your training is in progressive overload and you gain a lot of muscle, there is no need for you to start obsessing over calories. Yes, if you want to lose a lot of fat, I just recommend you to do a lot of fasting and eat a lot of high protein meals. And don't stress about every little calorie. I used to. The thing is, yes, track it with an app. It's going to be really efficient if you track your calories with an app. But there is no need to track every little calorie. I used to do that. When I was in the army, I wanted to get into that super lean physique. But I can tell you, it's not worth it. All right? You can look really well. You can have this good six-pack with, a good muscular physique. But there is no need to have like this shredded physique. Yes, I mean, it's gonna look good in the mirror, but to be honest, no one actually cares, and that's the thing you want to step away from. So you want to feel good, you want to look good, and that's the thing. We're not trying to become a bodybuilder here. So yeah, let me just cook this thing, and I'll show you exactly how I do it. But yeah, I won't hold my camera all the time. You don't want to use a lot of plastic. So I use a wooden, whatever that is called. I can't come up the name, but it's really easy like that. You don't have to worry about microplastics and all that stuff. And this is just a metal pan. Just use a lot of butter. You might be thinking like, oh shit, like butter is a lot of calories. And eventually like farmer's butter is even more calories. Shouldn't you worry about your cholesterol and all that shit? No, you don't have to worry about your cholesterol if you eat the good stuff, like eggs, meat, like beef and good butter. If you're gonna eat like fats such as McDonald's and Burger King and all that stuff, that is not good. So this is a normal meal. We used to eat a lot like this, so don't worry about that. So yeah, every day I fast until 12 p.m. and then I have my first meal, which is steak, eggs, butter, and some cheese on top. And then at night, I usually work, I maintain my clients, I check in with clients, and then at night, dinner, I eat with my girlfriend, and I'm going to show you what it is. I'm not going to be talking like video everything, but I'll show you exactly what we eat. And it's just normal meals. So there's nothing crazy about it. No rice with chicken and like a lot of hot sauce and all that stuff. No, I keep it simple. So this is what I usually do with butter, um, and that's good enough. If I need more, I just put more in the pan. I don't want it, to burn. So just use the butter. Don't be stressed about it. Use your oil and all that stuff. Look at this. Smells good, man. Every lunchtime I eat this. But to be honest, it doesn't have to be that expensive as well. Um, I have my eggs from my chickens. Otherwise, eggs are really like cheap. Um, but dude, when you do invest in yourself, rather it's nutrition, coaching, or equipment, or things to wear, don't stress about that. You're investing in yourself, and it's the best investment you ever make when you're investing in yourself. So don't worry about that. So have that steak, have those eggs, and if you're vegan, well, you have a lot of protein sources as well, um, like tofu. I don't know all of it. I used to have a lot of vegan clients as well, but um, yeah. So this is what I'm gonna eat right now. I'm not sure how many calories this is. It's probably gonna be around, let's say 700 to 800 calories. But whenever I'm gonna eat something, I'm gonna bring you on because I'll be working right now, and probably in the afternoon it's gonna be just some fruit, some coffee, a lot of water as well, and just like a lot of fruit. And at night, I'll be having just a normal meal, nothing special about it, but I'll show you. It's chicken with some cream sauce and mashed potatoes, and then that is going to be it. Yeah, I don't make it complicated. And all right. So I've done some work, and right now, the only thing that I've eaten is the steak with the eggs, and I'm gonna eat an apple now. So as you basically see my fridge, hold on, you'll see that there are only eggs, Monster, yeah, chicken, steak, more eggs, fruit, and all that stuff. So, yeah, I mean, there's nothing much to be eaten if you don't have anything in your fridge or your closets. So if you eat a lot of bullshit, then don't buy it in the first place. There's no need to buy it. Therefore, you're not gonna eat it. So right now, I'm gonna eat an apple, and yeah, when my girl comes home, you're gonna have a normal meal, and then that's gonna be it. So as you can see, guys, right here, I have some salad. I add some mayonnaise and a little bit of oil to it to make it taste good, and some herbs. And yeah, that's it. We have that whole bag with the two of us, and then we have chicken with cream sauce and some mashed potatoes. Don't make it complicated. It tastes good and it gets me jacked as fuck. This is me the day after. I just wanted to tell you guys that I keep it really simple and I don't overcomplicate anything. I used to do that a lot back when I was in the army and whatever I did with fitness. I used to track every little calorie and all that stuff. As of right now, I just eat what I want. I know how to eat it because I used to track it. I do know how many calories there are in it. Now, the thing is, what I do with my clients is basically I set them upon my custom app, and they can track their food, but they don't have to track every little calorie. So what you can do for yourself is either download MyFitnessPal. It will show you all the calories that are in there without you having to weigh every little thing. Keep it really simple. Just make sure that you have high protein meals. And if you have fat hanging around your body, I just recommend you to be in a calorie deficit, meaning that you eat less than you burn, and just make sure that it's balanced. How you know that it's balanced is by tracking it in an app. See how balanced it is. It will show you how many fats, how many carbs, how many protein there is in it. And upon that, you can make your next choice of meal. But yeah, just eat less than you burn on a daily basis, and do intermittent fasting. It will really help. Yeah, I'm editing the video right now, and I'll be posting this on YouTube soon, and yeah, you're gonna be the one seeing it. I don't know why I'm telling you this, but all right, I think that's it. I hope you've learned something from this video. I might make some more of these, but to be honest, it's just what I eat on a day-to-day basis. There's nothing really special to it. If there's anything else that I will do, I will bring you guys on so you understand how I think about nutrition. But like I said, if you want to build muscle, eat more than you burn. If you want to lose fat, lose weight, eat less than you burn. But just focus on training hard and eating in high protein meals that will give you that body recomposition without you having to do all this bulking and that cutting. There is no need to do that. All right. I used to fall into that trap. It's not nice. Keep it simple. All right. I hope this video was valuable to you and that you've learned something. All right. Bye-bye.